Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a slow WIX website speed up in 60 seconds. Large images are a top reason for slow sites. Use JPG instead of PNG, compress images and keep them under 500 KB. Wix has built-in tools to help resize during upload. Too many custom fonts or fancy animations slow things down. Stick to 2-3 fonts maximum and remove any unnecessary transitions. Remove unused Wix apps or auto-playing videos. They load scripts in the background even if they are not visible. Once done, test your site with page speed, inside or GT matrix. Follow for more website tips in under a minute.